Hi, this is Ryan from mockquestions.com. Here are 5 internal medicine residency interview questions and answers written by our expert interviewers. Question number 1. What are your thoughts about relocating to and living in this city as an internal medicine resident? Every year, medical students from all over the world compete to get into the internal medicine residency of their dreams. As you are likely applying to and interviewing with programs all over the country, your interviewers need to know that you are willing to relocate for their program. I have only visited Las Vegas once, but I'm excited to live in the entertainment capital and think it will provide me with the unique experience of treating international patients who fly into Las Vegas. I also love to hike and appreciate that mountains are close by. Question number 2. Tell us about a time you had to work with new technology. What did you do to ensure proficiency as quickly as possible? Technology in the medical field has been evolving and will continue to evolve year after year. While you may be academically gifted, your interviewers need to know that you can pick up and master any new technologies in the field during your time with them. First and foremost, I want you to know that I understand that today's physicians need to embrace technology to provide the best patient care possible. I've always been enamored by great technological advancements in healthcare. More recently, during the pandemic, one area that physicians need to embrace is telehealth, and I was fortunate to be exposed to this during my clinical rotations. Learning technologies like Zoom and other video conferencing apps was a new concept to me. Before beginning their use, I watched training videos and practiced having virtual consults with my classmates to ensure that there wouldn't be any technical glitches when I worked with patients. I'm fully confident in my ability to use video for telehealth consults with patients. Question number 3. Where do you see yourself in 5 years following your internal medicine residency training? Throughout your time with them, your interviewers will get a great sense of where you want your career as a physician to go after your training. This question aims to take a deeper dive into what your ideal practice would look like after you complete all of the training that you want to pursue. In 5 years, I hope to be in the middle of a great cardiology fellowship in an academic hospital, ideally not too far from here as I would like to settle down. I am pursuing internal medicine residency training with the hope of practicing cardiology with a focus on severe congestive heart failure and heart transplants. I would like to work with a largely underserved population, having seen my parents struggle to get affordable health care. I would also like to have medical students and residents in my clinic so I can teach the next generation of doctors about complex cardiac care. Question number 4. What aspects of our internal medicine residency program interest you? This is a question asked by most internal medicine residency programs to understand what interests you about their program. The candidates that show passion and interest often get ranked near the top of the list. I like that your program has 6 months of ICU rotations, while most other programs have 3 to 4 months, as I am considering a career in pulmonary and critical care medicine. I also noticed that your residents often get into competitive places in California like UCLA and UCSF. This is important to me because I hope to get back after residency to live close to my family in California. Question number 5. Are you considering or interviewing with any other internal medicine residency programs? It is no secret that fourth-year medical students are encouraged to apply to many residency programs to better their odds of matching. This number of applications can often exceed 10. It always puts a little bit of fire under the interviewers if they are aware that you are actively pursuing many opportunities, especially if you are a top candidate of theirs. I'm keeping an eye out and applying to several reputable internal medicine residency programs across the country because I want to give myself the best chance of matching into a program with a reputable academic and research center. No matter the number of interviews I complete, I hold your program in the highest regard because of the academic and research success that your past trainees are now having in practice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could subscribe to our channel. It really does help motivate us to continue creating videos. Thanks again, and we hope you stick around to watch more interview practice videos from Mock Questions.